Since I have the F-150 in the shop changing the spark plugs today, I'm going to clean the MAF sensor. This is cleaning the MAF sensor on any 2004 to 2008 F-150 with the 5.4 liter. Now, all you need for this job is some cleaner. This is mass airflow cleaner. It'll work great. It doesn't leave a film. It's made specifically for this purpose. It's better than carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner. It doesn't leave any kind of a film. You need some dielectric grease just to put on your connector, so it keeps corrosion down, keeps the moisture out of it, makes it easier to install. You need a T15 screwdriver or T15 sockets for the two screws, a small screwdriver or some kind of an instrument to pop the lock. It's got this red little lock. It's a little different than the other electrical connectors that Ford uses. Oh, came right off. So what you do is just pop that lock and it should pull off. Two screws. Just be careful taking it out. Here's the element right in here. That's where you want to give that a good spray of cleaner. So I'm going to take it to the garbage can. So at the garbage can, I'm going to give it a good strong spray, so don't stick anything down in there. No paper towels, Q-tips, anything like that. Just a good strong spray. Don't use any compressed air on it, just let it dry. And it'll dry without any film. Before I put it back in, a little bit of dielectric grease on my electrical connector. Helps it go back together, helps seal it so it keeps moisture out of it, prevent corrosion. A little dielectric grease on the inside here. And then a little bit on the connector here. Then it's just a matter of putting the two screws back in. And putting the electrical connector back on. Make sure it snaps in place. You can hear it click, and then you can push the lock in. The lock, once it's clicked in place, should easily. So this locking tab, the way it's supposed to work is it's supposed to pull out, and then you still press down right here to get it to come off. So when I pulled on it hard enough here that it just came off. So it still clicks here, and then this is a locking tab. So a little dielectric grease on it, sure goes back together easier. Well, that concludes the video. I hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe.